Hello everyone, this is Vanessa from the Digital Siren, and in this video we're doing a flip through of my brand new planner from the Coffee and Paper collection. So this is the Portrait Undated Planner from the Coffee and Paper collection. Here we have the gorgeous cover, and here we have the home page with a little space to write your name in the middle, and at the bottom we have some links. The first link is to go sign up for free monthly stickers. The second link is to visit my shop if you want to get something else. And the last link is to contact me if you have a question or a problem. It will be my pleasure to help. Next, here we have the index. So all of the links that you can find in the top bar and in the sidebar are found also on this page, which is accessible with the top right icon, the little icon right here. So we have all of the monthly tabs, and then home, year view, template stickers, and the extra sections. Then here we have the templates index. So in this planner, there is 29 extra templates that you can copy and paste anywhere that you want in the planner. A little bit later, we're gonna go and see, page by page, all of these templates. But right now, let me show you how the navigation of this planner works. Here you have an empty page, which is accessible by the top bar. This is a sticker page, so you can paste any stickers that you would like here. There is a craft paper page here, but if you flip, there is also an empty page. So if you have any of the brown colored stickers and they won't show here, you can paste them here if you'd like. Some of the stickers that you can paste here that I recommend are the free stickers that come with this planner. So we have a kit of matching stickers that comes with it, bonus, completely for free. So here we have the sticky notes. Second page here we have more little banners and dots and speech bubbles, some icons, arrows, and some months, some bill due stickers, rent due and appointment. And here we have a bunch of dates in matching colors and fonts. This is really useful because this planner is undated, so using these stickers you can date the planner very quickly and very easily. So back to the planner, we also have at the top 6 extra sections. So here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In these sections you can paste, for instance, the extra templates. So I'm going to show you later, we have some papers and stuff like that you can paste here if you want to make some note sections or budget sections or fitness, anything that you'd like. Next, I'm going to show you the tabs. So we have these beautifully illustrated tabs for each month. And if you flip one here, you have the monthly view. And then on the left side, you have little flags for the weeks. These are hyperlinked. So let's say we type week 2. It goes here to the weekly view for week 2 of March. And if we tap the little calendar here, it goes back to the monthly view. Lastly, I want to show you the year view. So here is your whole year ahead. You can zoom in and write in the numbers for each month if you'd like, or you can use the stickers. And each of these months is hyperlinked, so you can tap right here to go directly to the month from the year view. So it's a very easy way to access, every month that you want anywhere in your planner. So that's how the navigation works for this planner. Last thing I'm going to show you are all of the templates that comes with the planner. So let's start with the yearly layouts, and then we're going to flip through all of them. So this is the future log. This is here you can see your whole year, and you can, write in some events or birthdays, anything that you would like. Here we have a vision board, a yearly habit tracker. This is an outline version of the main monthly layout. This is a monthly habit tracker. And this is an alternate monthly layout with 2 boxes at the bottom for goals and important dates. This is an outline version of that same thing. Here we have an alternate weekly layout. This is my personal favorite weekly layout on this beautiful brown paper. Here we have a week with a big to-do list. Another alternate weekly layout with a to-do, top 3, and gratitude. This is a habit tracker, a weekly habit tracker. And here we have outline versions of all of the weekly layouts. So these outline layouts, if you're wondering, are really great if you really want to go all in on the decoration and you don't want anything to get in your way. So you don't have any text, you don't have any decorations, just a bare outline so you can go and do all of your decorations with your stickers. And here we have the daily layout. So this is the daily journal layout with your top 3, to-do, meals, water, and mood. And this one is the daily schedule layout. So here this starts at 4 a.m. It's in increments of 15 minutes and goes all the way to midnight. So there's plenty of space for all of your appointments. And here we have the outline version of the journal daily layout and the outline version of the schedule. And now we have the note papers. So this is your decorated aligned paper, Cornell, grid, dot grid, and empty. And then we have the plain version of all of these. So the plain lined layout, Cornell, grid, dot grid, and empty. So here we are. This is the portrait planner from the Coffee and Paper collection. I hope that you liked it. If you enjoy this planner, I am going to leave the link in the description so you can go get it for yourself. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.